This is an AI-assisted cinematic documentary featuring fictional characters and AI-generated storytelling.
Before the machines took over, there was someone who knew your name. There was a time when buying groceries meant speaking to another human being. A familiar face, a remembered name.
And every morning, Linda Martinez arrived before the world fully woke up. She had worked here for 23 years. She knew every inch of this place.
She smiled every morning, even when nobody noticed.
Good morning, Mrs. Patterson. How are those sugar-free cookies treating you this week?
She remembered the little things people forgot to mention twice.
How did your son's baseball game go on Saturday?
Oh, they won. Thanks for asking, Linda.
She wasn't following a customer service script.
There was a time when the house felt full.
Ray spent most of his life building things with his hands.
Then Sarah moved across the country. The house became quieter every year.
But every morning at 7, she still had somewhere to go. For 8 hours a day, she was no longer alone.
There was still humanity here. Images of Rience.
Then one Tuesday morning, everything began to change.
Linda arrived that morning and immediately understood something was ending. The machines looked clean, efficient, tireless.
No eyes, no smile, no memory.
The meeting lasted only 15 minutes.
Efficiency, modernization, transition.
He never used the word replacement.
Marcus started driving nights just to cover rent.
In 1/2 mile, turn right. Continue straight.
He told Linda he didn't mind.
Deborah accepted fewer hours in the stockroom.
Three weeks later, she stopped coming in.
Robert was only months from retirement. They gave him a handshake, and a gift card, and a gift card.
Linda stayed. Some customers still preferred a familiar human presence. Some customers appreciated having someone who listened. I'm scared about the tests, Linda. Yesterday would have been our anniversary. Linda listened every single time. Because some people were never shopping for groceries. Then came the letter. She understood before finishing the first sentence. She folded the paper carefully, as if neatness could soften grief. At 7:14 a.m., she still smiled at the first customer.
That night, she drove home in complete silence.
She placed the letter beside Ray's old coffee mug. And for the first time in years,
Linda cried.
November passed. Then December. Some customers sensed the sadness, even when she never spoke about it.
You're good people, Linda.
She held herself together, the only way she knew how. December 15th, 2023.
She could have stayed home.
She knew this counter like an old friend.
She still helped people, even while losing everything familiar. Then Mrs. Eleanor Hayes walked through the door. She bought the same 7 items every Thursday.
Then Mrs. Hayes reached across the counter. You are the only person who says my name out loud anymore.
Linda could not speak. A machine can process a transaction.
but it cannot recognize loneliness. At 3 o'clock, Linda's final shift ended.
She removed her name tag carefully.
"23 years. That's remarkable."
Take care of the people who still choose the human line. They're not always shopping for groceries. She stepped into the cold December air.
She sat there for a long time. She sat there for a long time. Industry studies estimate that millions of retail jobs may disappear in the coming decade. Technology made shopping faster. But speed was never the only thing people needed.
The store stayed open. But something inside it had disappeared. Small, worn at the edges. The machine never forgot a price. But Linda never forgot a name.
Silence. Technology changed the store, but some things can never be replaced.
If this story meant something to you, subscribe to Echo Frame Studios for more unforgettable human stories.